In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to create a newsletter in just a few minutes using Constant Contact. Creating newsletters can often be time consuming, but with the power of AI, you can streamline the process and produce professional content with incredible ease. To start, head over to the left-hand menu in Constant Contact and click on Marketing Channels. From there, select Email and follow it up by clicking the plus Create an Email button. This will initiate the process of setting up your newsletter. Next, you will have the option to choose from a variety of templates, or if you prefer a more personal touch, start from a blank canvas. Once you've made your selection, it's time to add some content. Navigate to the Build tab on the left panel, where you'll see an option to click on a text block. Simply drag and drop this block into your email draft. This is where the magic happens. After placing the text block, click on it and you'll notice a tool menu appearing above. One of the key features here is Write with AI. Clicking this will activate the AI writing tool. At this stage, you'll need to input a few details about your newsletter. For instance, you might type in something like a weekly fitness newsletter with workout tips, motivational quotes, and product updates. Selecting the right tone is also crucial to how your newsletter will be received. You can find a drop-down menu that gives you various tone options. Once you've chosen the most suitable tone for your brand or message, click on Create. The AI will now generate content based on the information you've provided. Upon completion, you have the flexibility to fine-tune the AI generated content. You can choose to modify result if you think there's room for improvement, or click Insert to use the content as is. The system is designed to make this step straightforward, ensuring your content is both engaging and on brand. Now, let's move on to the email settings by clicking on Email Settings. Here, click Recommended Subject Lines. What happens next is quite impressive. The AI will scan your email and suggest suitable subject lines and pre-headers for you to choose from, adding that extra touch of professionalism and appeal. Before finalizing, use the preview option to ensure your newsletter looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is crucial to confirm everything appears correctly across different platforms. Once you're satisfied with your draft, it's time to send it out. You have two options: choose Send Now to launch your newsletter immediately, or select Schedule to have it sent out at a more convenient future date and time. And just like that, you've created a polished, professional newsletter in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Thank you for following along, and I hope this step-by-step guide empowers you to leverage AI in your newsletter creation process, enhancing both efficiency and creativity.